Lines drawn to the west of the prime meridians are marked with W, and those to the east are marked with a E. So look at this picture. This line is known as prime meridian. Okay? When we move from prime meridian toward the west, it is denoted as W. When we move from prime meridian toward the east, it is denoted as E. Okay? So next is the 180-degree meridian is exactly opposite the 0-degree meridian on the other side of the world. It is known as International Data Line, IDL. IDL stands for International Data Line. It is neither east nor west. Look at this. This is a 180 degree. This side at 180 degree is exactly opposite to 0 degree centigrade. 180 degrees is exactly opposite to 0 degree. On the other side of the world, this line is known as International Data Line, which is stand by IDL. This line is known as International Data Line, which is stand by IDL. So it is neither east nor west. When we cross the ideal traveling toward the east, we gain 1 day. When we cross the ideal traveling west towards, we lose 1 day. It means that when we move international data lines toward the east, तो न्यू डे जो हमारे पास होता है वो अराइव होता है. और व्हेन वी मूव टूवर्ड द वेस्ट, वी लूज 1 डे. मीन टू से कि 1 डे जो होता है वो गॉन हो चुका होता है, मतलब गुजर चुका होता है. ठीक है. जब हम इंटरनेशनल डाटा लाइन से टूवर्ड ईस्ट आते हैं तो हमारे पास नया दिन आता है, और जब हम इंटरनेशनल डाटा लाइन से वेस्ट की तरफ जाते हैं तो एक दिन हमारे पास गुजर चुका होता है. दिस इफ वी मूव international data line, these are known international data line. When we move toward the east, international data line say we move toward the east, we gain a 1 day. Or when we move from international data line toward the west, we lose 1 day. Okay, so the next topic is how to study a map. हम द मैप को किस तरह स्टडी करते हैं. ठीक है. दे आर डिफरेंट थिंग्स दैट आर यूज टू स्टडी द मैप्स. नंबर वन, फर्स्ट वन इज दैट इज डायरेक्शन. When we look at the map, we use a cardinal direction: north, south, east and west. We know that there are 4 cardinal direction: north, east, north, south, west, east. These are 4 cardinal direction. ठीक है. We also use the intercardinal directions: northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. Beside these 4 cardinal directions, north, south, east, west, we use another 4 intercardinal directions that are north, south, northeast. This is a northeast, this is a northwest, this is a southwest and this is a southeast. These are intercardinal directions. These are 1, 2, 3, 4. These are cardinal direction. Okay. And उसके अलावा हमारे पास intercardinal direction भी है, that are northeast, northwest, southwest and southeast. These 4 are intercardinal directions. We also use intercardinal direction besides the cardinal directions to study a map or to find something on a map. Next, second thing that we use to study a map is grids. All the lines of longitude and the latitude form a grid as shown on the map. For example, जितनी भी lines हैं, all the lines which are on a maps, that whether they are of longitude or whether they are of latitudes, all these lines are known as grids. Longitudes and latitudes, all these lines are known as the grids. तो ग्रिड्स बेसिकली हमारे पास क्या होती हैं, these are the lines, these are imaginary lines which are not actually seen on the map or on the earth. All the lines of the longitude and the latitude form a grid as shown on the map. They are imaginary lines, so you cannot actually see them on the earth surface. हम इनको रियल में या हमें अर्थ सरफेस पे नज़र नहीं आती. हम ग्रिड्स या ये लाइन्स इसलिए ड्रॉ करते हैं ताकि हम इसको एज अ रेफरेंस यूज़ कर सकें टू फाइंड एनी प्लेस ऑन अ मैप. To find a place on a map, we find it grid reference. We use as a grid reference. These lines are used as a grid reference to find any place on a map. For example, look at this. For example, Karachi is located at almost 25 degree north and 67 degree east. Look at this. This is Karachi and this is north. Above is North Pole and below is South Pole, and these are east and there west. So Karachi is 25 degree north and 67 degree east. This means it is 25 degrees north of the equator. अब हमारे पास कराची कहाँ पे 25 डिग्री इक्वेटर के पास. द सेंटर लाइन वी डिवाइडेड अर्थ इनटू टू इक्वल पार्ट्स. दिस इज नोन एज इक्वेटर. सो द कराची lies at 25 degree north toward the equator and 67 degree east of the prime meridian. This line is known as prime meridian. This central line is known as prime meridian. So it is 67 degree east. Karachi is 67 degree east of the prime meridians. Okay, and the third one thing that we use to study the map, that are keys. Usually each map has the keys. It tells us what the symbols and the colors used on a map means. Colors, symbols and the pattern help us to find things more easily on a map. अब मैप में कीज़ में यूजली हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं, या तो सिम्बल्स यूज़ करते हैं, कलर्स यूज़ करते हैं बेसिकली, या तो डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स यूज़ करते हैं, या तो स्केल्स यूज़ करते हैं. These all things are used to identify or to find out something easily on a map. ठीक है, डिफरेंट कलर्स, डिफरेंट सिम्बल्स और डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स हम यूज़ करते हैं टू आइडेंटिफाई एनी प्लेस ऑन अ मैप इजीली. ठीक है, वी आल्सो नीड टू नो हाउ बिग द एरिया एक्चुअली इज. दिस इज शोन बाय अ स्केल. कोई भी एरिया उसकी हमारे पास वो कितना है, उसने कितना एरिया कवर किया है, उसके लिए हम लोग एक स्केल यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, look at toward this picture. This is different colors, different patterns, different symbols are used. All these come under the keys. डिफरेंट कलर्स हैं, डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स हैं, हमारे पास डिफरेंट सिम्बल्स हैं. तो ये सब किस में आती हैं, हमारे पास चीज़ें कीज़ में आती हैं. हम ये डिफरेंट कीज़ यहाँ पर लिखे हैं, डिफरेंट सिम्बल्स हमने यूज़ की हुई हैं टू आइडेंटिफाई एनी प्लेस. फॉर एग्जांपल, दिस इज़ द सिंबल ऑफ अ मॉस्क. इट शोज दैट वेयर इज़ अ मॉस्क. दिस सिंबल हम यहाँ से ढूंढेंगे, दिस सिंबल इज़ देयर. तो ये सिंबल्स जहाँ जहाँ पे यूज़ हुई होंगी, वेयर दे आर यूज,